Introducing the red double-layer heat sensing tube, a smart and reliable solution for advanced fire detection and suppression. This uniquely designed tube stands out with its bold red color, ensuring high visibility during installation, inspection, and maintenance. It features a double-layer construction, combining a durable outer protective shell with a responsive inner heat-sensitive core. The outer layer acts as a shield, protecting the tube from mechanical damage, UV exposure, dust, oil, and other harsh industrial conditions. Meanwhile, the inner layer is engineered to respond immediately to rising temperatures. When exposed to a preset heat level, the inner core bursts or softens, instantly releasing pressure and triggering the fire suppression system. Instantly detects heat at the source before flames spread. Easily installed in tight or complex spaces, panels, vehicles, engine bays, and more. Stay protected, stay prepared with Quick Flame Protect. Fast, reliable, always ready.